Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this channel cannot be displayed issue which is happening for many of the users right now, and how you can fix this issue on Telegram. So there are many clickbait videos running in the YouTube. This is gonna be a fix for you. All you have to do is just follow the instructions. First of all, you have to open the Telegram application and then tap on these three bars in the upper left corner, and now from here you have to go to this settings. Keep scrolling down and then you have to tap on this privacy and security. Now from here keep scrolling down. So over here you will be able to find an option which is actually not available for me, but for some users, I mean apart from my country, users are watching across the globe, in this particular option will be available. So this particular option is available for users based on the geography. So for me it is not available. For those who are watching and having the experience, it will be available. So the option, if you go to the privacy and security and if you keep scrolling down, you will be getting an option like sensitive content. I don't have it here, sensitive content, but you will find the option sensitive content. So if the sensitive content toggle is disabled, it will be turned off. You have to turn this on. Under sensitive content in privacy and security, you will be having an option called sensitive conduct. Under this you will be having disable filter. It will be turned off. You have to turn this on. You have to enable this. When you are done with enabling this, you have to go back and you can use the Telegram, and after that you can join any Telegram channel and will not be having any trouble like this. Channel cannot be displayed error. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.